Welcome to one of the many videos in this YouTube channel. And here in this video we are looking at Vechain 4-hour chart, and I'm going to be showing you the next possible move and how you can take the ride and make money out of this move. So first of all, we can see that market has broken downside from this major structural level of 0.07. You can see here market made a corrective triangular pattern. Market was just moving inside this triangular pattern, and then we got a broke out to the downside. This pattern, whenever market do this, this is a good indication of bearish continuation move. So whenever the market is in the downtrend, market made these kind of corrective patterns, broke to the downside, and then move below in the direction of bearish trend. One more thing that I want to point out here is in the start of this current bearish move, we can clearly see there is this kind of a head and shoulder pattern available. We saw this head and shoulder available at the start of this move. We got a break below this area. From this point, I was anticipating that now it's bearish market start to make lower lows, lower highs, and it just keep on moving to the downside. Here in the start of December, it made this huge wick, and after that consolidate a little bit, and then finally broke below this triangle. So what is the next downside target? So as of now, we can see that market is trading around 0.051 area, and the downside target is 0.04 00 area. So 0.04 area is the next downside target, and if this area got broken, then our next target will be 0.02486 area. So in terms of trading opportunity, how we can enter the trade and make money out of this move, let me remove these drawings here so that you can see clearly what I'm trying to say. So if the market start to move toward the upside direction from this area, we see that market is coming to test this area, which is 0.07 area. Then from this area, if market start to show rejection, then we'll see a move to the downside test, and then another move toward the downside direction. So around this area we can look for short trades. Obviously we'll have to consider some bearish price action here if we get any kind of bearish engulfing candlestick here in this area, or anything like that, bearish price action or bearish divergence on smaller time frame around this area. It will be a sign of opening short position targeting these areas to the downside direction. On the other hand, there is one more possibility that market can do is let me just remove this. So we can see that market had made this low here, and now this is the high, and we have a candlestick pattern available here. This is actually a sign of evening star, this is called, and after this pattern we saw market moving to the downside direction. So one more trading scenario is market broke below this area, come back, test this area, and show some bearish rejection candle. We can look for sell trades around this area, and target will be this area. Let me just put a selling. So on a break, the candle should close below, next candle test this area, we can look for short trade, stop loss above, target this high. On the other hand, if the market keep on moving to the upside direction around this area and start rejecting, then we can look for short trades around that area as well. Stop loss above this area, it should be this, yeah. So stop loss above this area and targeting these area. Obviously we'll have to see bearish price action in the lower time frame and confirmation. With type of confirmation, for now you can say that some bearish divergences or bearish confirmation signals. If you don't know what are those signals, you can Google it, try searching about that. Or on the other hand, in the future I will put some videos about confirmations educational contents, the complete educational series in this channel, so stay tuned for that. So until then, these are two possible scenarios that we can have a look at for the Vechain. Also, we can see here that we already have 50 and 200 day moving average close to the downside, so this is adding another confluence to the bearish side. So yeah, this is it for the Vechain. See you in the another video.